Today we're going to briefly talk about external tools and how to use them in Canvas. So once you are in Canvas, you need to go to whichever course you would like to use the external tool in. And so I'm going to just click one of mine. And then you want to go to Assignments down the left in your course navigation. From here, we are going to come up here to the top in the top right hand corner where it says plus assignment, and we are going to add an assignment. I'm going to give this a name because you have to have a name in the assignment for it to be able to save or publish. Your directions and instructions will go in the rich content editor. You will give a point amount. You will put it in the correct group. And then right here where it says submission type, this drop-down menu is where you can choose external tool. When you choose external tool from that drop-down menu, you have the option to load this tool in a new tab. If you decide to load the tool in a new tab, that means that it's going to take them outside of Canvas for them to complete the assignment. Personally, I like to keep that unchecked because I like to keep my students inside of Canvas. Once I have done that, I look right here where we can enter or find our external tool URL, and I'm going to hit find. Now we have this little box that pops up. Right here, we have all of the tools. So we've got CK12, we've got Edpuzzle, we've got Flip, we have Google Docs Cloud, we have Google Assignments LTI, Great Minds, HMH, we have Pear Deck. We have quite a few options here to use. For this, I'm going to use the Google Assignments LTI. So I'm going to click that. And then it wants me to say that this is the account that I would like to choose, and I hit continue, and then this pops up. This looks very similar to Google Classroom. So I can either attach a file or I can create a file straight from here. So let's say I attach a file. And let's say that that is not the only file I would like to attach. So I can hit attach and I can click another file. So you can do as many files here, and each student is going to get a copy. When you come down here to select this, you want to use Canvas Speed Grader. That way you are able to grade within Canvas. If you choose Google Assignments, you're not able to grade within Canvas, and you would have to transfer the grade into Canvas. Here you would be able to see everything and grade straight within Canvas. And I hit create. Now it brings me back to this screen. You're like, well, what do I do now? So right here, it's put the URL in there. And I'm going to uncheck that box, and then I'm going to hit select, and right there is my URL. Now I'm going to give this a due date, and I'm going to hit save. From the teacher end, this is what you're going to see. Once a student starts doing it, their names will pop up, and you'll be able to see that. That's just one example of one external tool that you could use. There are multiple external tools that you can use, and if you are curious about some of the other tools that you can use, check out the YouTube channel to find other videos of other external tools that we have to offer within our district and our Canvas institution.